Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today I thought giving you an idea about how to calculate age in your Excel, specifically in years. So for that I have set up my table. I have the names and I have the date of birth lined up, and I want to calculate the age as of today. So I have put the today's date here, and that will be again dynamically found using formula called today. It's 3rd of November. So let me show you how to calculate age in years. First, I'm going to use a legacy formula called data diff. Let me show you data if, and you can see data diff, and this is the birthday, and I'm adding today's date here, and I'm going to freeze that date since I want to use that in other dates as well. In the formula I'm freezing that cell using $sign. You can type it also. The shortcut is F4. Right now apply comma. I want to get the years, so open the quotation marks, double quotations, and closing my brackets. See, I got the age as 36 years. See, everybody's age are calculated. How easy is that? Now this has become the legacy formula for the moment, and this is how you calculate age in years. Let's say if it is let's put a previous year's date. See what will happen. I'm putting 12/1 in 2023. Sorry, we have to apply the correct date, 12/1, and we'll make it 23. See, it changes. Thanks for watching. If you like our content, and please share with your friends, like our video, so that we will be able to bring you more videos like this and improve your day-to-day work. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.